Walking into an open house and falling in love with a property before getting pre-approved is a recipe for heartbreak. A mortgage pre-approval is an official evaluation by a lender determining how much money you can borrow based on your financial profile. It shows real estate agents and sellers that you are a serious, qualified buyer. Today, we break down the step-by-step pre-approval process and what documentation you need to prepare. The pre-approval process begins by reviewing your financial documents, including W-2 South tax returns, bank statements, and proof of income. Lenders evaluate your credit score, employment history, and debt-to-income ratio to establish your maximum purchasing power. Unlike a casual pre-qualification, a formal pre-approval provides a clear financial roadmap. Best of all, working with an independent mortgage broker allows you to run soft pull pre-approvals that check your eligibility without damaging your credit score. Knowing your exact budget before you shop protects your family from unnecessary stress and gives you negotiating power when making an offer. Preparation is the key to a seamless home buying journey. Comment home or comment loan below to connect with Duane Buziak Mortgage Maestro.